Topic at the restaurant. Hi, Kelly. How are you doing? I'm quite good. How about you? So. You don't look too well, to be honest. Actually, I'm quite nervous lately. Oh, what's wrong? You know, college life is hard when you have to live on your own. And there's so much to think of, especially about all the monthly fees. You can say that again. Well, I'm pretty short of money recently. Probably because I'm spending too much shopping. Oh, well, you can't blame anyone else for that. I know, and I need your advice. I'll be happy to help. I want to find a part-time job to earn some money. Also, lessen the free time that I would spend on shopping. That's a good idea. What job are you going to do? A waitress. I'm thinking about it. A waitress? That's right. I know that you worked as a waitress last year. So I think it would be best to ask for your advice. If there is one thing I can advise you, don't. Why? I thought that was easy and needs no experience. I just need to welcome and order food for customers and then clean up a bit. Do I have to do a lot more than that? No. I mean, it's not because of hard work, it's about customers. I don't quite understand. As a waitress, you will encounter different types of people. And I can tell you that it's not a pleasant experience. Well, I haven't thought of that. Let me tell you some of my stories. Sure. Good evening. Did you book a table? Yes, Jenny Dawson, please. Right, Miss Dawson. Follow me, please. I'm Kelly, your waitress tonight. What can I get for you? Can we see the menu? Sure, here it is. We need some time to look at the menu. Of course, I will come back later.
15 minutes later.
Are you ready to order? Well, we haven't decided yet. Right, there are a lot of dishes. Got it. Feel free to call me anytime. Excuse me. Yes, how may I help you? Can you make me a beefsteak medium rare? Yes, any level you want, from rare to well done. I will remind the chef. How about this steamed fish? It looks delicious. Does this dish have a fishy smell? You can rest assured we use fresh, catch-of-the-day fish. And it is carefully processed. There will be no fishy smell. Oh, wait. This creamy mushroom pasta looks good. It's not quite delicious. My friend tried it. Well then, let's eat a beefsteak for the main course. How would you like your steak? Hey, what about this chicken dish? Nah, I had it yesterday. Beefsteak is the most ordered dish in our restaurant. You should try it out. What kind of seafood is in this dish? There's shrimp and crab in this dish. Oh, I don't like crab. Actually, we're gonna need some more time to consider. Yeah, sure. Well, that sounds like forever. They took an extra 30 minutes to decide. And they chose the one dish they said wasn't quite delicious. I'm speechless. Another day, I met a group of 3 people. Are you ready to order? Sure. For the starter, I want seafood salad. What are the ingredients of this dish? shrimp, crab, onion, mayonnaise, lettuce, and so on. I got it. Please give me extra shrimp and crab, no onion. And I don't want it to be too salty. Let's make it taste bland. Yes. And for the main course? Give me a roast chicken dish. But remember not to let it stick to the butter. I don't like the smell of butter. Don't worry. The chicken dipping sauce. Please change the chili sauce to fresh chili. Yes, ma'am. For dessert, cheesecake is good. It is certainly good, ma'am. Wait, how many calories does this dish contain? I'm on a diet. I'm not quite sure. About 300 calories, I guess. What? 300? That's too much. I'll have apple pie instead. I got it. Can I get you something to drink? Lemon juice, please. And remember, no sugar. I don't like it. Yes, sure. Anything else, ma'am? That's okay for now. How about you, sir? The special with the milkshake, please. I'll have the same as him, please. Can I get another napkin? Sure, I will bring it for you. Wait, I want to change my order. Karen, come on. You've asked her so many things. That's it, thank you. You guys have no standards.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, this lemon juice is too sour. Good evening. What can I do for you? I want to see the menu. Be quick. Here it is, sir. What do you want to eat, honey? I don't know. It's up to you. But I don't like pork and fish. She doesn't like fish and pork. What else do you have? You could try roast chicken or pizza. Pizza will make me fat. Your restaurant makes food that is too fat. Too bad. To avoid getting satiated during your meal, you could order a salad. We have a wide range of salads to choose from. Am I stupid that you have to teach me? I'm so sorry. It's just some suggestions. I don't need it. Just follow my order. Honey, do you want orange juice? Not bad. 2 orange juices. Don't make it too sour. Are you clear? Sure. Why are the positions of napkins, knives, and forks so messy? Do you know how to set the table? Where's your manager? I'm sorry. I will fix it now. How about the tablecloth? Do you see it's like a rag? This place is so bad. I will never come here again. I'm sorry. So your order includes a roast chicken, a salad, and 2 orange juices. I'll be back with your drinks. Be quick! Oh my God, it's like a nightmare. Why are there so many weird customers like that? Yeah, so if you want to work as a waitress, you have to be patient and calm. That's tough. But of course, there are also nice days. Really? Hi, I'm Kelly. I'll be your waitress today. Here's the menu. Thank you. Would you like some help with the menu? We'll just need some time to decide, thank you. Sure.
5 minutes later.
Have you decided what you'd like? Yeah, I'll have a salad and a steak. The steak. How would you like it cooked? Medium, please. Got it. And may I get you a drink, ma'am? Just a glass of water. Thank you. All right. And for you, sir. I heard that the peppered salmon here is really good, but is it very spicy? Well, we can reduce the spiciness. Well, good. So I'll have pumpkin soup and peppered salmon with just a little bit of spice. Thank you. Would you like something to drink, sir? An orange juice, please. Thank you. Perfect. Your order will be ready in 15 minutes. I'll be right back with your drinks. Thank you. Very fast and easy, right? Just listen and take care of them. Right. Sounds great. You know what? After the meal, they even tipped me. That's great. But I'm afraid that I can't meet these nice people. I don't know. I should consider becoming a waitress. It's a great job. It's just not suitable for everyone. Yeah, you're right. Working in a restaurant as a waitress, a food runner, a bartender, or a cashier is quite challenging, I think. Yeah, but you will have interesting experiences. Thank you for your advice and your stories, Kelly. No thanks needed. I hope you'll find a suitable job soon.
Welcome, David and Peter. I'm glad to have you here for your 3 days trial at the restaurant.
Thank you, manager. It's nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you, manager. We're excited to be here.
Wonderful. It's great to have such good candidates. Now, let me give you some important information about our workplace. David, your main responsibility will be taking orders from customers. Make sure to accurately record their requests and pass them on to the kitchen.
Understood, manager. I will be attentive and ensure that the orders are properly communicated.
Good. Peter, as a server, you will be responsible for serving the food to the customers. Be polite and efficient in delivering their orders.
I will do my best to provide excellent service, manager. I'll make sure the customers are satisfied with their meals.
And last but not least, remember, the boss has high standards for our service and cleanliness. I want to let you know that our boss is very demanding, even though he rarely visits. He still closely monitors our operations, so it's crucial for both of you to work carefully.
We will try our best, manager.
That's what I expect to hear. I'll be observing your trial closely and providing guidance if needed.
Thank you, manager.
Good luck to both of you. Let's begin the trial.
David.
Huh?
David.
What?
We have a customer. Take the order, please.
Okay, I'm here. Okay, here is your order, Peter.
David, did you clean the other tables? We need to maintain cleanliness in the restaurant.
Oh, right. Sorry, Peter. I'll get back to work.
David, shouldn't you be cleaning the restaurant? We have a lot of work to do.
Oh, right. I'll get to it in a bit. Just give me a moment. I need to go to the toilet.
Quickly, David. We need to clean the restaurant before the manager comes.
Yeah. I'll do it soon. Don't worry.
You were in the toilet for quite a long time earlier, and I did our work alone.
Oh, sorry. I just had a bit of a stomachache. I think it'll pass.
Hi, guys. Everything okay? Oh, good job. Everything is clean. I've received positive feedback from the customers about the excellent service. You guys did very well.
Thank you, manager. I'm glad the customers are satisfied. I've been doing my best to ensure their needs are met.
Good job, David. All right, finish your work today and go back home. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Jim. Hi, what would you like to order?
I'll have the chicken pasta and a salad, please.
All right, chicken pasta and a salad. Got it. Do you want anything to drink?
No, thanks. Oh, by the way, I have a peanut allergy. Can you make sure there are no peanuts in my dishes?
Sure, I'll make sure there are no peanuts. Thanks for letting me know. Please wait a minute. Your food will be served soon. Here's your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Waiter,
How can I help you?
excuse me. I can smell peanut butter on my pasta dish. Why was peanut butter added?
Oh, sir, peanut butter is a needed ingredient in chicken pasta.
I specifically mentioned my peanut allergy earlier. Why is there peanut butter in my dish?
Oh, probably there's something wrong here. My order note doesn't say anything about your peanut allergy. Are you sure? Maybe you forgot to tell me.
No way, I told you. At the time, I noticed you were on your phone, then you forgot my note.
Well, you ordered the chicken pasta, so it's your fault for ordering something that could potentially have peanuts in it.
You assured me there would be no peanuts. It's your responsibility.
Look, I can't control everything. You should have been more careful with your order.
I'm really sorry for the mistake and the trouble caused. Can I have a chance to prepare the food again, and our restaurant will have a discount for you? All right, just fix it and prevent it next time. Thanks for understanding. We'll improve our service.
Why are you always trying to blame me? It's not my fault the customer ordered peanuts.
David, it's about taking responsibility and making customers happy and safe.
Stop lecturing me. Stay away.
Excuse me, but you shouldn't treat customers like that. It's disrespectful and unprofessional.
I don't need to care what you think, sir. Just eat your meal.
What's going on here?
Your employee was being rude to a customer, and when I pointed it out, he dismissed me.
Oh, boss, I apologize for his behavior. Let me handle this.
Boss. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be rude.
Your attempt toward customers is not acceptable. We cannot have staff like this. I'm afraid I have to let you go.
Wait, I didn't mean it. I'm really sorry.
It's too late for apologies, David. I've observed you for a long time, and your attitude at work is not suitable. You're fired. Peter, I appreciate your attitude during this incident. From now on, you will be an official employee of the restaurant. Thank you, manager. I will ensure that our customers receive the best service possible.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.